Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Exercise question 1.3. What is the question? Check that the ratio of KE square divided by GME into MP is a dimensionless. Look up the table of a physical constant and determine the value of this ratio. What does the ratio signifies? So first we have to know what is the meaning of the question. First, in this question having three sections. In the first section, what they are asking, check that the ratio, that is this K square divided by GME MP have dimensionless. It is a dimension. This quantity have dimension is there or not. We have to check it. And the second part, what they are asking, what is the value of this? And the third part, what is this ratio signifies? Okay, so we will solve the first part. We need to check this quantity is dimensionless or not. Ke square divided by GME. This is the quantity. So this is the thing. We need to find out the dimension of this. First we have to know what is all these variables. What is this K? K is a proportionality constant in the Coulomb's law. We have to find out the dimension of this, or otherwise first we will find out the unit of this. From that we will find out the dimension. So I am using that method. First I will find out the unit of this, all the variables, then I will find out the dimension. Okay, so what is this K? K is a proportionality constant in the Coulomb's law. So what is the Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law is what? Two charges separated by a small distance. The force between them is F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This K unit I am going to find out. What is K? From this, K is equal to, this R will come here, multiply here. F R square divided by Q1 Q2. What is the unit of K? Unit of K. K is how much? What is the unit of F? F unit is Newton. What is this? R. R is a distance. Its unit is meter. So here it is a square, meter square. This Q1 is a charge and Q2 is a also charge. So its unit is Coulomb square. This is the unit of K. And what is E? We already know E unit, that is Coulomb square. Next quantity, next variable is G. So G is a proportionality constant in gravitation. That means the proportionality constant in the gravitational force. What is gravitational force or universal law of gravitation? If two masses separated by a small distance, the force between them is G m1 m2 divided by R square. From this, what is G? G is equal to F R square divided by m1 m2. Then what is the unit of G? Unit of G is, what is the unit of F? F unit is Newton. What is the unit of R? R unit is meter square, because R is a distance. What is the unit of M? M is a mass, so its unit is kilogram. Here also mass. So I will write here kilogram divided by kilogram square root. So I will write like this, kilogram minus 2. Now we can find out the unit of this one, because all the variables in this quantity we have to be find out. Okay, so what is the thing? K is equal to Ke square divided by GME MP. Okay, so what is the K unit? Newton meter square Coulomb power minus 2. How this minus 2 came? This will goes to the top side. Into, what is this? This is a E is the basic charge. It is a charge. So its unit is charge unit. So Coulomb square divided by G. What is G? G is a gravitational, universal gravitational constant. Its unit is Newton meter square into kilogram power minus 2. What is the unit of ME? ME is a mass of electron and MP is a mass of proton. So kilogram into kilogram. Okay. So what are the things we can cancel? This kilogram square, this kilogram power minus 2 and these 2 kilogram we can cancel. This Newton and Newton we can cancel. M square we can cancel. This and this. So this has no unit. So what about the dimension? The dimension of this, we will get the dimension of this. Dimension, how we will write? We will keep it as a dimension symbol here. Here also dimension in a square bracket. So this is also in a square bracket. This is also in a square bracket. So we will get as what? M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. That means what? It has no dimension. So this K E square divided by G ME into MP is a dimensionless quantity. Okay. Then what is the second part? Second part, they are asking to find out the value of this. So how will you find out the value of this? So next, value of K E square divided by G ME MP. It is very easy, we can find it. We know the proportionality constant K value. What is the values? All these values we just substitute it. Okay. So what is the K value? K value is 9 into 10 power 9. What is the E value? E is the basic charge. Its value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 whole square divided by what is G, universal gravitational constant. Its value is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into what is the mass of electron, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into mass of proton 1.67 into 10 power minus 27. That is the thing. So we will substitute all this and we can find it. So directly we just multiply it and then divide it. Then we will get it as what is the value? 2.3 into 10 power 39 we will get. This is the answer for that. Is there any unit? No, because we already seen that it has no unit, it has no dimension. So it has no unit. So it has 2.3 into 10 power 39. It is just a direct simple mathematical calculation. Okay. Then what is the third part? In the third part they are asking the value of K, what this quantity signifies. Okay, significance. What is the significance of this? Okay. So K E square divided by G ME and MP. So from this I seen that K is a proportionality constant in Coulomb's law and G is a proportionality constant in gravitation. So surely this has some relation to this Coulomb's law and gravity. So I am considering a electron and a proton separated by a distance r. Okay. In the gravitation I am consider the mass of electron and mass of proton. M is the mass of electron, MP is. In electrostatics, or what is the charge of electron? Minus E. What is the charge of proton? Plus E. In electrostatic, I will consider the charges are separated by distance r. In gravitation, I am consider these masses are separated by distance r. So what is the Coulomb's force between these? What is that force? That is an attractive force. That is equal to what you will get? K into one product of this and this minus E into plus E divided by r square. From this what you will get? I am avoiding this minus. What is the meaning of this minus? It is an attractive force. That is equal to K E square divided by r square. That is the Coulomb's force. Then what is the gravitation force? Gravitation force, I will consider these masses. Gravitation force G, gravitation force is equal to G into M1, M2. M1 here what? ME. What is M2? MP divided by the distance square. What is R square? That is gravitation. For understanding this, F is the electrostatic force, Fg we can consider as gravitation force. This I will consider the equation number 1 and this I will consider the equation number 2. Just take out the ratio of 1 by 2 you take. What is 1 by 2? Fe divided by Fg is equal to what you will get? K E square divided by R square divided by G ME MP by R square. Here R square cancel. So we will get it as K E square divided by G ME MP. So from this what we can see? This ratio, this value, this is the ratio of Coulomb's force between electron and proton to gravitation force between electron and proton. Okay, that is the this quantity signifying. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like